Now let's look at the roadmap. This is what we're going to be launching with as a roadmap. This is subject to change as new things come into play, as we decide that there's more efficient or effective ways to do some of these things. But basically, as far as Q1 goes, we had the goal to kind of get the marketing website up. That's done. The e-commerce marketplace up. That's done. The NFC apps live. That's done. And merchandise is going out in people's hands. The product creator tool, the MVP proof of concept is done. The DeFi code is completed and has been audited. So that brings us to launch marketing with a top e-commerce and branding agency. We were fortunate enough to sign on with one of the top e-commerce agency brands. They very rarely work with early brands that are as new as us. But because of past relationships that I've had, and because they looked at the NFC tech and just our ability to position within the crypto niche, and they were like, you know what? Literally the phrase that they used is, we would feel stupid if we slept on this. So we'll be ramping up with them in the coming weeks. That will lead into our launch of the DeFi game and treasure key mint. We will then pretty quickly go live with having some prizes in addition to treasure in the treasure boxes. These will be things like Xboxes, treasure, sticker packs, merch, etc. Right around launch, maybe even before launch, we will have the new version of our e-commerce marketplace, which is so awesome. It is going to have AI product search and discovery, which is going to allow us to do some really interesting SEO stuff, allow you to easily find the products that you're looking for. We're going to start doing weekly live selling video auctions. There's an app that we'll be using where I'll basically have, a bunch of the merchandise that and designs that people have uploaded, and I'll be your auctioneer for the evening, and we'll be live auctioning that. It's going to be a really fun way for us to engage as a community and bid on different products. So that'll be coming soon. The new product creator tool is infinitely better than the one that we have. It's got a little bit of a facelift and a little bit of a new UX, but basically the manual process that we have right now will be fixed with this new product creator tool. And then we'll be moving from our iPhone and Android NFC app to a web-based app. That will happen shortly after launch, if not in parallel with launch. So these things will be happening in the next month or so. And then as we move into Q2, we will be adding the Ecom Value Indicator dApp. Now, you'll note from Discord that we're not calling this an NFT marketplace anymore, because we actually think that the greater value add to the NFT ecosystem is going to be to have this as a dApp layer that could map onto any marketplace, not only our own, but we could potentially broker partnerships with other NFT marketplaces and use the Ecom Value Indicator as a way to, one, drive traffic to NFTREASURE, two, give them some affiliate commissions, but three, make every single NFT in their marketplace more valuable using our Ecom Value Indicator dApp. Really excited about being able to flesh that out and build some unique partnerships. The crypto asset distribution, this is the ability to airdrop crypto tokens or NFTs directly to the NFC chip and claim those, will be coming in Q2. The spatially aware messaging, where we can geo-lasso everything. To some extent, we already have these in place, but we've got a much better system and, more importantly, a back-end dashboard for you to be able to manage these. That'll be coming in Q2. We're working with an augmented reality developer to create some unique animations and NFC experiences. I'm saying Q2 here. We'll probably have some early ones available that are just kind of proof of concept before then. But some of the really unique experiences as part of that dashboard that we're building out will be available for you to load into your NFC chip Q2. The brand ambassador marketplace, where we can really send our sales team to go out and get projects to sponsor prize packages and reward kind of our DGen army. That's that kind of vending machine use case of what's happening with our NFC tech, the ability for us to activate everybody that has an NFTREASURE garment to be able to go out and basically talk about the things that they're interested in and passionate about and earn rewards for doing that. Right around this time of the brand ambassador marketplace, if not sooner, we'll also be looking to engage some of our first. We're going to have prizes from day one, merch, sticker packs, some Xbox's Treasure, but really looking to like get some big prize packages sometime in Q2. More things planned, but that's kind of crypto changes so quickly that going out more than 2 quarters doesn't make a whole lot of sense. But man, this is going to be a power-packed feature set and really allow us to do some really interesting things. So who is the team that's bringing this all together? Myself, we've got Joe, our full stack developer. We've got another full stack developer. We've got Jordan, who's doing all our fashion and graphic design. Dima, who is our UX designer. Sonia, one of our UX designers. Eugene, who's a front end developer. NFTREASURE intern, who's crushing it with Twitter and our culture scout, seeding me all the stuff that's happening on Twitter. Chris, who wrote a lot of our copy, Web3 Sheriff, who helped with consulting on a lot of the marketing and copywriting, David T. Jones, our tokenomics, who designed all the tokenomics, and he and I have had so many discussions about how to make NFTREASURE a truly sustainable DeFi loop. Anthiox, who's our Discord moderator, Avi, who set up our Discord, Rodney, who's been helping with API and database stuff, Nirmala, our e-commerce manager, and of course, so many good ideas from the community. What an epic bunch y'all are. I appreciate you making it this far into the white paper. The next video is going to be about funding and partnerships, and then our disclaimer, and we'll have made it all the way through. Good job.